Good afternoon. I'm Sharon Atieno, and today we're going to talk about kale, also known as sukuma wiki production. Okay, kales or sukuma wiki is a widely grown vegetable due to its nutritional benefits, fast growth, and ease of cultivation. In understanding its growth stages, it's essential for proper management, maximizing yield, and preventing diseases or stunted growth. This allows for application of right nutrients to ensure proper watering and implementation of effective pest control. And in our stages of sukuma wiki production, the first stage is germination stage. As you can see from our picture, at this stage the seeds are spread in nursery, absorb moisture, and sprout into seedlings after 3 to 7 days. Seeds are planted in a well-drained fertile soil enriched with compost, and to maintain consistent moisture. For faster germination, soil is kept at a temperature of 18 to 25 degrees Celsius. And in your nursery, you can cover the materials with thin materials like net 1.2 meters above the ground to avoid pests from attacking your seedlings. The second stage is the seedling development and transplanting. As you can see from our screen, seedlings are transplanted to the farm where they grow strong roots and many leaves. This transplanting is done on a soil that had already been cultivated and ready for transplanting. During the transplanting, it's also recommended to water lightly but frequently to prevent the seedlings from drying out. The third stage is the vegetative growth. At this stage, watering and fertilizer application is necessary for root development and to prevent roots from dying. During vegetative growth, you apply compost or organic manure to boost nitrogen levels and to enable your seeds to grow well. You can mulch around the plants to retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. You can also water deeply at 2 to 3 times a week to support leaf expansion. And you start light harvesting by picking a few outer leaves to encourage new growth. The fourth stage is the maturity and harvesting. This stage is almost final in the growth of kales. At this point, the kales have grown and ready for harvesting. And the fourth stage, you can also apply organic fertilizer, e.g. compost tea, every 2 weeks to avoid attack of pests on your vegetables. Okay, and here are tools used in kale production. And the first tool is the wheelbarrow. You can use it when transporting your seedlings. There is a garden hoe used for preparing the garden. A garden shovel making soil in the nursery. Watering can used for watering our vegetables, and the rake used for removing unnecessary weeds after weeding. And there are factors affecting sukuma wiki growth. Several factors influence growth of sukuma wiki, including soil quality. You can use loamy and well-drained soil to grow your sukuma wiki. Watering practices. You can water regularly to promote root growth. There is sunlight and temperature. Temperature of about 18 to 28 degrees Celsius is very important. And now that we know how to produce our sukuma wiki, today we want to talk about eat healthy and stay healthy. And these are the benefits of sukuma wiki or kales. And now that sukuma wiki is a vegetable, vegetables are very important in our health. And vegetables are good in our eye health. Like spinach contains antioxidants and vitamin C that may benefit our eye health. Vegetables also improve our digestive health to ensure good digestion, and this enables us to avoid diseases like diabetes, and skin problems, as vegetables contain nutrients to promote good skin. Eating vegetables also enables us to monitor our weight and provide immunity to our bodies. Like kales is rich in sulforaphane, may help to get robust immune system. Vegetables also help in heart health. Vegetables are rich in fiber and vitamins that may help in supporting our good health. And vegetables also provide us with iron levels, which enables us to get essentials for our body. Today takeaway is good health starts when you take good care of yourself. Thank you.